Look at Daddy. Tell me what it is.
It's a snow fort. Because everyone can go inside it.
Okay, let's see you all go inside it.
No.
Rissy, go in. Anna, go inside. Okay, let's see you go inside.
No, that's the igloo.
Okay, it's an igloo. Okay, go inside it. Anna, go in, hurry. Okay, show me inside. Go inside, let's see. Oh my goodness. Wow, Lauren, that's pretty deep in there.
Yep, it is.
You gotta look like you're having fun.
We're putting lots and lots of food in here for us to eat, you know?
Oh, that's food, huh?
Uh-huh.
Oh, okay.
We got down.
Well, that looks really fun, Anna.
It's just food for the winter.
Oh, you need food for the winter.
Yeah.
Oh.
Every single acorn and squirrel goes find their food in winter.
Well, that's a pretty massive igloo you got going on there, Lauren.
Look, now this is a place.
What is this?
We can throw everything.
Oh, that's your office?
Or school. We could like sit down here, have fun here, play games here. We gather up every single party thing here for us to eat.
That was the old igloo collapsed, huh?
Yep.
Oh, well, good thing it's an office now, huh?
Yep.
Well, I think it's a great place for an office. All right, have fun.